The design and detailing of precast parts consists of a lot of detailed work and can therefore be time-consuming and error-prone without a solution like Planbar. Allplan's smart design and detailing solution for precast parts maximizes your productivity with ease. Precise 2D plans and clear 3D models are created with just a few clicks. This is because automated workflows enable highly efficient and reliable planning. Structural precast elements can be modeled with Planbar both freely and parametrically. Walls and slabs are quickly imported, panelized and planned. Planbar automatically takes care of the intelligent division into producible and deliverable units. The software also calculates the basic reinforcement independently and safely with its unique one-click reinforcement feature. Our revolutionary technology also creates fully automated descriptive shop drawings, entirely according to your specifications and for the specific requirements of the respective production step. All plans in Planbar are also 100% consistent with the model at all times and therefore reliable. At the same time, the software seamlessly supports all common precast concrete formats and correctly controls all production machines. Thanks to the linking of reinforcement, concrete and fixture geometry, Planbar calculates the weight and exact centers of gravity of all precast elements while still in the planning phase, thus safeguarding subsequent truck and crane work. Planbar's connection to BIM Plus also enables efficient and always up-to-date collaboration between all project participants. With unique automated and smart workflows, Planbar takes your precast design and detailing to a new level of precision and efficiency. Choose one of the world's leading precast BIM solutions. Choose Planbar.